Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Dogelon Mars. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price of Dogelon Mars has recently formed another falling wedge pattern on a daily time frame chart and dropped down at a very significant and long-term uptrend line support as well. And this was one of those videos. Now, if we move to the live chart, this is by the way daily time frame. And you can see that still the pricing is moving at this very critical support, this uptrend line support, and also moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And now the movement is quite squeezed, therefore I'm expecting that soon it can break this pattern. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line support is very long term. That is by the way coming from here from the month of June 2021. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and stable touch points here. Then we had another bounce, and now we are again dropped down at this support. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup or Pendle, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 8th of Feb 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and below this level was the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Dogelon Mars. And first of all, let me just show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it is moving inside this wedge. We had a bounce here on 21st of January 2025. We found the support here. Then we got rejection here on 24th of January 2024. Then we had another bounce here, rejection, bounce. And then we had another bounce here, rejection, bounce here. And now the price line is once again reached very close to the resistance of this wedge. And at the same time, it can also hit this very strong and long-term resistance of 1420 as well. Point double zero, double zero, and double zero, six times zero, $1420. That was previously breaking as support. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, recently you can see that for several days it has been breaking as support. And on the 7 days time frame chart, it will be more visible. You can see that previously it had been working as a resistance here and support here and support here and support here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Dogelon Mars. In fact, on the daily time frame chart, it is more visible. You can see that for the past several days, it is still working as a resistance for the price line. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the wedge, first we will need to break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 2205 and goes to 2500. Then the price line can hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. That target will be here at the top of the wedge. That is at approximately 3620. Now, if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that a few months ago, here in the month of March 2024, in fact, in Feb 2024, we broke out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, we had a long spike to the upside, but the price could not break out this long-term resistance of 5520, and therefore it was again dropped down. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 0.0000 and 0, 5 times 0, $2276. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.